Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the notification button to be alerted anytime I upload new videos. So today I'm going to spill all my tips and tricks on how to grow your hair long. I'll be sure to link all the products that I use in this video below in the description box. I've always struggled growing my hair. I know a lot of people, their hair just grows so naturally and they don't have to do anything different. They style their hair all the time and it just grows so quickly, but that has never been the case for me until recently when I learned some tips that I will further elaborate on in this video. The last time I had really long hair was freshman year of high school, so that was a very long time ago. I had it like below here and I straightened it every single day, and I have very thick curly hair. And I went to the hairdresser and she said I had split ends, like maybe 5 inches long. So they had to cut my hair super short. I had hair up to this length and it was here. And I was devastated. And a short haircut on a girl with thick curly hair isn't always a good thing, a good look. I also didn't really know how to style it back then, so it was just a big poof ball. And I would use a curling iron every single day to make it look somewhat presentable. But it just took a really long time to get it to this length, and then it just stayed at that length forever. I couldn't ever grow it past that length. I would get my hair cut and it would grow until that length, and then it would be time for another haircut. I would have some split ends. So it was always a struggle for me to grow my hair long, and I've always wanted to grow my hair long. So I have a couple secrets that helped me grow my hair about 4 inches longer in 6 months. So without further ado, I will get into the video. So my first tip is biotin vitamins. So I first started trying the Sugar Bear hair vitamins that all the Kardashians and like a lot of celebrities endorse, and they were delicious, and I really started to notice my hair growing longer after taking those. But the only downfall is they're pretty pricey. They're I think like $25 to $30, and you go through a bottle about like every month to a month and a half. And don't get me wrong, I noticed results and they were delicious. But I just can't pay $30 like every month, month and a half on vitamins. I did some research and I found that just biotin vitamins work just as well. And these are way more affordable. You can get them at any drugstore like CVS and Rite Aid, or I usually just get mine on Amazon, and they range from like $6 to $10. So I've been taking the Vitafusion biotin vitamins, and they're gummy, so they're delicious. Like every single morning I'm like, oh, I can't wait to take my vitamins. They're so good. It's like having a little dessert first thing you wake up. And after taking these vitamins, that's I think what was the biggest game changer. My hair just like kept growing. Obviously your nails look beautiful and get really long and strong a lot quicker. And you know, they last for, you know, similar time frame. They last about a month and a half, but it's just way cheaper, so I don't mind spending like $10 every month or month and a half. Just to disclaim, I would just recommend that you just make sure it's okay with your doctor that you take these vitamins. It shouldn't be an issue, but you should just make sure. So second tip is the hair care products that you use when you're washing your hair. So I usually shampoo my hair twice. This I find helps really make my hairstyle last. I can go about 3 to 4 days between washing my hair, and if I do notice it starting to get a little bit greasy, I do use shampoo. I use Not Your Mother's dry shampoo. In addition, I have been loving L'Oreal's Evolve Total Repair Mask. I've been using this every time I wash my hair, actually in place of a normal conditioner. And I've really noticed ever since using that, my hair's been a lot healthier. I really have less split ends. I'm due for a haircut. It's been about like 3.5 months since my last haircut, but I have very limited split ends, so that is a plus. And it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. You can get that at any drugstore. It's less than $10. I highly recommend getting this product. It's a big game changer. So my third tip is how you style your hair. You know, every hairdresser tells you try to do minimal heat when you're trying to grow your hair long. That's always a challenge, and it's always hard to do that because you want your hair to look good in between washes. So I found if I cut on the blow drying time but still style my hair after my hair is fully dry, I still reap the benefits. So I kind of switched my routine and started showering at night, and you know, usually I shower like right after the gym, and it takes about 2 to 3 hours until my hair is fully dry. Sometimes then I'll just curl my hair after my hair's dry, or I'll just wait until the morning because then I know it's fully dry. But I don't skimp on styling my hair. I usually always curl my hair with the curling wand. I really noticed that cutting out the blow drying has really helped preserve the healthiness of my hair. Another tip is to use a heat protectant before you style your hair, right after you shower. I've been using, it's a 10. There's multiple end uses for this product. It's a detangler, it's a heat protectant, and also helps eliminate frizz. I really like this product. It smells really good. I think it's less than like $15, and some really good heat protectant products can, you know, get up there in price. Another tip I have to help cut down on your hair drying time is this Aquis hair towel. This thing is amazing. So, you know, usually you always wrap your hair up in a bath towel, and I used to always do that, and it kind of helps with the drying of your hair. There's some fibers in the fabrication that really absorbs the moisture and also just cuts down on the drying time. And I will say that it eliminates probably like a half hour of my drying. And for all this hair to be like halfway dried after 15 minutes of just wearing this hair towel, that's pretty awesome. So another tip I have is every night before bed, I'll put my hair in like a high ponytail. I tie it with a hair tie loosely. I'll just tie it like maybe twice, whereas like when I go to the gym, I'll tie it like 3 times. So I'll put my hair in the loose pony and I take it out in the morning. My hairstyle is intact. It's pretty crazy, and I'll just have to like brush out my hair and I'm good to go. So that really helps with not using heat tools every single day. I've told a couple of my girlfriends this tip, and it doesn't seem to always work on every hair type. I have thicker hair, so it works for me, but I know sometimes like when I have friends who have thinner hair, they'll do this and they tend to have like a crease in their hairline. I think it helps that I do my hair curly. I find that this really helps cut down on how often I style my hair. Another tip is just, you know, getting a trim every couple months. I mean, you hear that all the time from hairstylists. I try to make sure that I go like every 3 months so that I get a chance for my hair to actually grow, but then if I'm noticing any split ends, just taking care of that. I know, you know, it's kind of hard to get your hair cut because you feel like it defeats the purpose of growing your hair long, but you know, you need to keep it healthy because otherwise the ends will break off and all your hard work goes to waste. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope all these tips and tricks work out for you. Please keep me posted in the comment section below if you try out any of these tips and tricks and if they work for you. Thanks for watching my video.